This is a tutorial for the standard digital book player available to qualified patrons on a lifetime loan. This tutorial will cover the basic operation of the device. I'm Michael Harris, and I'll be guiding you today. To begin, I'll describe the features and controls on the player and how to use them. Place the player in front of you with the plug at the top and the handle at the bottom. The handle pulls in and out and can be used to safely carry your device. The player can be plugged in, but also has a rechargeable battery and can be operated portably. Your battery life will diminish over time. You can call the library to replace your player. To turn the player on, push the round red power button on the top left of the device. The player will beep, and the announcer will tell you that the player is on and that you can press any button to learn about its function. It will also tell you how much battery power is remaining. To listen to books, you must insert a cartridge. The cartridge slot is located above the handle. When inserting the cartridge, the braille label should face up, and you should feel or see the USB drive on the back. With the finger hole towards you, slide the cartridge into the slot until it clicks into place. When the cartridge is properly inserted, you will hear a beep, and the announcer will tell you how many books are on the cartridge and start playing the first book. The play-stop button is located just above the cartridge slot. It is green and rectangular with a large indent in the middle. Press this button to both play and stop your books as you are listening. To the left of the play-stop button is the rewind button. It is a white arrow that points left. If given a quick push and release, it goes back 5 seconds. To the right of the play-stop button is the fast-forward button. It is a white arrow that points right. A quick press moves forward 5 seconds. Pressing and holding the rewind or fast-forward button moves the book in larger increments. When you have moved beyond 15 minutes of playing time forward or backward, it begins to skip by chapter. To the right of the fast-forward button are yellow volume buttons. The arrow pointing up increases volume. The arrow pointing down decreases the volume. Above the play-stop button is a white half-moon-shaped button. This is the sleep button. It allows you to listen to a book for a certain amount of time, and the player will stop. This feature is for people who like falling asleep while listening but don't want to lose their place or get too far ahead. Press the button to select a time increment from 15 minutes to 60 minutes. To cancel the sleep function, press the play-stop button. You can also control the tone and speed of the narrator. These buttons are located on the upper panel of the device to the right and left of the speaker. To the left of the speaker are the tone buttons. They are white arrows. The up arrow increases the treble and the down arrow increases the bass. When you push either button, it beeps once. When you hear a double beep and the announcer says normal, it is the default balance of the recording. To the right of the speaker are the speed buttons. The up arrow increases the reading speed. The down arrow decreases the speed. If you hear a double beep and the announcer says normal, it is the default speed of the recording. The player will remember your tone and speed settings for each book. Each cartridge contains multiple books. You can navigate from one book to another on your cartridge. When you insert your cartridge into the player, it tells you how many books there are and begins playing the first book. To choose another book, press and hold the play-stop button until the machine beeps and the announcer says, "Bookshelf." Quickly press and release the Fast Forward button to hear the title of the next book. Quickly press and release the Rewind button to go back to the previous title. When you hear the title of the book you want to listen to, press and release the Play button to begin listening. The player will save your place in each book.